Hey guys, Steve Weiss with PDS Equipment. I'm here at the Nashville Demo Center. Today we're going to be going over the new Mamaki HS kebab. Pretty amazing little device. And I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to work through Chat GPT for the designs. We're going to go straight from Chat GPT on the design, straight to the kebab HS, printing on, just printing on regular tumblers. These are Polar Camels. So it's going to be pretty cool. So hang with me. I'm going to screen share. We're going to go to the Chat GPT stuff. If I can find it. All right. Everybody can see this. We're getting ready for the ICAST fishing show. With ICAST trade shows down in Orlando, it's the largest pretty much trade show for the fishing industry. Of course, me and Trevor will be going down there. We love fishing. So we're doing the same thing we ask you guys to do. Take these machines in industries that you're very passionate about. Well, I love fishing. I love UV printers. So we're taking our machines down there to teach people all about UV printing. So here I'm in Chat GPT. I'm going to start a new chat. And if you see over here on the left side in Chat GPT, there's all kind of apps you can, there's all these different apps you can use inside of Chat GPT. So when people say Chat GPT, that's just a tip of the iceberg. Once you get in there, there's all this amazing information that you can do. For this demo, I'm going to be doing photorealistic image. Okay. And I'm going to be printing on tumblers. Okay. So I know to get rid of this seam here, I need to be 10.88 inches. So I'm going to tell Chat GPT exactly what size my image needs to be. But I need it 10.8 wide, 6 inches tall. All right, so I need a 10.88 wide image, 6 inches tall, of a sport fishing charter boat headed out into the sunset, into the sunrise, headed out into the morning sunrise. All right, 10.8 image, sport fishing charter boat headed out into the morning sunrise. Add PDS equipment on the back of the boat. I'll tell you what, let's add go get it. So I'm definitely encouraging you guys to get all in this Chat GPT stuff. It's amazing what's possible with it. Some of the stuff I'm making design wise, not to say it would be impossible for a graphic designer to do it, but you would have to have underwater photographers. These are images that your basic graphic designer is not going to be able to do. There's still a huge need for graphic designers, but this is allowing me to come up with some super cool images that are very marketable, depending, like if you're going to a local fair, you know, in your town, you can just pull up stuff, you know, famous stuff in the area and print canvases and pictures and cups of those products. So, all right, so here's my charter boat coming. And I'm going to print this on a cup. And to you guys, this is, you know, maybe a cool image. But if you was the boat captain on that boat, or if that's the boat where you caught your trophy fish on, you would pay 40 to 50 bucks for that tumbler, especially if that's your boat. So that image is there. So all I'm going to go, I'm going to hit download. The file's downloaded. Okay. So now I'm going to my raster link. File, open. Go to my download tab. Here's my boat. Boat arrived. I'm going to double check my image. It didn't size it for me, but that's okay. 10.88 by 6. Okay. So this is the size that's going to make the boat wrap around great on the tumbler. Okay. So now when I'm doing this, now I go to this tab here, which is my kebab jig print. You see, here's my size, 10.886. All that looks great. If I'm printing on a taper product, I got to check this bottom check mark. Okay. Let's check our resolution. I'll go a little higher resolution. We'll do a 12 pass. I tell you what, let's just do the regular one. All right. So at that point, we're ready to print. I'm going to stop the screen share so y'all can see me load the cup. Okay, let's go to the camera. All right, here's the kebab HS. You see the little grip holder, the orange and red device there. That's the Mamaki variable grip. As you rotate that, the jaws open and close to hold the cup securely. So you'll be able to see me set this cup up easily. My cup, all I'm doing, wiping off the alcohol. I'm gonna get all any kind of oils. That's not alcohol. Oh, good. Okay. So I'm taking the cup, sticking it here, pushing it against the box, put the end holder on it, spinning it, making sure it does, and then I'm gonna tighten up the red thing. Okay. So at that point, doing the kebab origin set. This is where I want my image to start printing. I'm gonna put it right here at the bottom. All right, it says work as it's set. That's okay. I'm gonna go do work set, enter, start work set. I'm printing on a taper cup. Trying to zoom in so you guys can see that. So you guys can see this. Maybe I can zoom in a little more. Okay. It's asking me with my work type. It is a tapered cup, so I'm going to hit taper, enter. Transparency. If this was a clear glass, there's no section. It's transparent. It's not transparent. This is opaque. So I'm going to hit enter. It's asking me the largest diameter. I'm going to take the cup. I'm measuring the largest diameter. 88. I'm at 88 millimeters. Small diameter. It's going to ask me to measure the small diameter. 72. Total work length. I'm going to do about 165. This is the total printable area of my cup. It's telling me to set my chuck. I've already done that. It's telling me to put my cup in. I'm already there. Check work essential. Make sure it's rotating smooth. Good. Taper angle. I've already set this. This is how you level the cup. UV lamp. I've already set that. Shading plate. There's a little, pretty much a curtain that you put in to determine whether where the light comes through and cures the cup. That's a very simple setting. Set the work lamp, adjust the cover height. This is my height of my cover. This is the knob to do that. Shading cover. Now we're going to tell it where we're going to start printing. Kebab origin set. All right, we're going to use our red light indicator. You can't see it on here, but there, right here, there's a little arrow that has a red light. That I put that red light where I want it to start printing on the cup. Once I do that, I hit enter. This is the first print I've done this morning, so it's gonna go through a cleaning cycle to get ready to print. But while it's doing that, I'll show you some of these cups. This device, the kebab HS, takes around 4.5 minutes to do this. And these are all images that I designed on Chat GPT. Photo quality, high definition, one cup every 4.5 minutes. So you guys that have got the kebab are getting it, we're gonna do a great unbox video so you guys can buy this, self-install it, make it happen. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but the cup's spinning. You notice the UV lamps over here. Well, this kebab HS has a UV lamp built into the device. So as it's spinning, it's curing the ink inside the rotary device. This is a super smart device. We're excited about it. With this one, we can do spot gloss. We can have perfect seam alignment. When I measure the top part of the cup and the bottom part of the cup before I put it on, it does the math for you to create a perfect seam. See the spot gloss? That is nice look. There's other right now it's printing it prints one color at a time, but it still can produce a high definition tumbler in 4.5 minutes. Full wrap is pretty special. Video. Remember, guys, this was all generated by Chat GPT. Clear. So remember, I'm using the photorealistic image creator. And pretty much all these images I've showed you on these cups were all done with Chat GPT. So if you're not diving into it, you're way behind. All right, let's check out the cup. Okay, I'm gonna slide this back. I'm gonna open up this. Got a nice little prop rod. You can tighten that up a little bit. That's easily fixable. All right, guys, in 4.5 minutes, we got a custom tumbler. And if I want to print another one, I just load it back in there and hit go. I don't have to go through all those setups again. Once I get it set up the first time in the morning, you just hit print and keep doing cuts. Appreciate y'all watching. Catch you next time. If y'all got any questions about it. Hey guys, that was the kebab HS demo. Y'all got any questions at all, reach out to us. We're super pumped about this product. It's gonna change the whole full color tumbler printing market. So see y'all. If y'all not, well, I would tell you sign up for Energize, but if you want to come to Energize and you didn't make it, go ahead and get on the waiting list. Every day I'm getting 1 or 2 people that are not able to make it, was something come up or whatever. So if you want a chance of getting in, go ahead and get on the waiting list, and we're going to do everything we can to start working through that waiting list to get you guys in. But I appreciate y'all, and let me know if we can help.